KeyCarGrowth provides services that help drivers, carriers, and transfer companies to grow their business. KeyCarGrowth is a team of professionals who help businesses grow and expand across the globe. These services include setting up auto-offer strategies, providing price recommendations, finding the best routes, dispatching, airport coordinator service, and car leasing. Hire the dispatcher, your remote assistant, to help you streamline and manage your rides. With our service, you can save time and money while ensuring the success of your needs. You can choose between an automated or manual dispatching service. With the automatic service, you can specify costs per kilometer for different distances, which will be tailored to each car in your fleet. This system is designed to maximize your profits and minimize vehicle downtime. For the manual mode, you will be approving all actions via Messenger. All payments for rides will be directly transferred to your account. A professional dispatcher will take care of all the work for you, so you can focus on what matters most: buying cars and hiring drivers. KeyCarGrowth is a certified partner of GetTransfer.com, operating independently and charging its own commissions for successful rides. The amount of the commission depends on the number of cars under management. For more information, please see the link in the description. Take advantage of our dispatching service now and get free trial month. This is an easy and convenient way to boost your income without having to search for customers. Don't let this limited offer pass you by. Create a financial plan by watching the video, link in the description, about creating a strategy for carriers, which will help to build a long-term sustainable financial plan. We work in your GetTransfer carrier account or can help you to create a new one. If you run multiple accounts, please be sure to contact our manager promptly in order to prevent a single car from being booked for the same time. Be ready for requests from your dispatcher manager anytime, automated or manual. Be prepared for prompt inquiries if manual confirmation is preferred. By allowing your dispatcher manager to adjust rates using the approved price matrix table automatically, you will be able to grow profits even more. We offer minivans for leasing or renting. Vehicles are suitable for use on any platform. If you want to enjoy the benefits of leasing a car with GetTransfer.com, your monthly turnover must have been at least $10,000 in the last 3 months. We offer cars with either fixed or variable revenue sharing payments that are equal to 45% of your net income each month. To apply for the service, simply click the link in the description. Would you rather sit in your comfortable car than wait standing in the arrival zone with a name until the client arrives? You need an airport coordinator service who will stay and wait with a name sign instead of you. This service can be accessed daily or round the clock. To find out the cost and availability at your location, click on the link in the description. Thank you. We wish you prosperity and luck.